Hello, I'm Carl Barkemeyer. I defend clients with drug charges in Louisiana. Now let's talk about what it means to be arrested for manufacture, distribution of drugs in Louisiana. Many times after my clients are arrested, they ask me why their bond paperwork shows they were booked with manufacture, distribution of CDS. It'll also show the schedule for which they're booked. But my client will wonder why they're charged with this when they were only possessing the drug. The reason they're booked under this charge for possession is because that is simply the name of the charge that encompasses a lot of drug charges under that specific schedule. It encompasses manufacturing the drug, distribution of the drug, cultivation, and possession with intent to distribute the drug. Most times when charged with manufacture, distribution, the officer thinks he has probable cause to believe the arrestee has enough drugs to support possession with intent to distribute. Therefore, the arrestee has to be booked under manufacture, distribution of that drug. So even though the paperwork shows manufacture, distribution, it is actually possession with intent to distribute that you're charged with. The penalties under this provision vary depending on the specific drug you're charged with. And it also depends on the specific amount of that drug. Please see my other videos for more information on a specific drug. If you need my representation for a drug charge, feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to help.